Welcome to Selenium Automation Testing. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to configure, how to download TestNG in your Eclipse. Okay. So first thing is we need to verify that TestNG is already downloaded in your system or not. Okay. So how to check? So just click on this window menu and then click on this show view and then select this other option and type TestNG here. I am not able to see TestNG option here, so TestNG is not configured in my system as of now. Okay, if I will write JUnit, then I am able to see this option because JUnit is present in my system, but TestNG is not present as of now. Okay, so TestNG is not present. Okay, clear. So we need to download, we need to configure TestNG. So there are two options. The first one is we need to download TestNG from the Eclipse Marketplace. So just click this help menu and then select this Eclipse Marketplace. Okay, after opening this Eclipse Marketplace, we need to enter TestNG here. Okay, inside this search box, okay, write TestNG and click on this go button. Okay, if you are able to see TestNG option in your system, then you need to click on this install button. Okay, but I am not able to see TestNG option in my machine. So for me, first option is not working. Okay, after entering this TestNG keyword in this search box, I am not able to see TestNG. Okay, no problem. I will close this. If you see this TestNG option in your system, then you need to click on this install button. Okay, it will download TestNG in your system, but I am not able to see in my system, so I will try the second way. Okay, again click on this help button. This time we need to click this install new software. Just click here and we need to provide the URL of TestNG. Okay, so this is my blog. We need to provide this URL. Okay, don't worry guys, I will share this URL in this video's description box. You need to open this blog and copy this URL from my blog. Just copy this location, okay, and paste here. Just paste, and then you need to click on this add button. Okay, you need to provide TestNG name over here. I have already provided, so I'm directly see this TestNG option. Okay, after entering this URL, when you click on this add option, you need to provide name as a TestNG. Okay, and the URL is automatically came here. Okay, we don't need to provide the URL. We need to only use this TestNG keyword. Okay, and then click on this add button. I will click cancel as of now. So after clicking on this add button, it will download some files, some jar file and some XML file, and then you are able to see this TestNG option here. Okay, just check this TestNG option and click on this next. Okay, it will download some jar files, some XML files. Okay, so okay, my download is completed. So from this three option we need to select any one. So I will use this Maven option. Okay, it's depend on you which version you need. Okay, so I will take the second option, Maven, and then we need to click on this finish button. Okay, or better to take only TestNG. Okay, just use this TestNG and then select this finish button. See guys, the system is installing the software. Okay, now the 5% is done. Let's wait for the 100%, and I will check TestNG is present or not. Okay, so just click on this window, show view, and then other option and type TestNG here. Okay, still I am not able to see this TestNG option. Okay, so let me finish this installation software first of all. I will pause my video and I will resume after the 100%. Okay. Okay guys, welcome back. after installing 53%, I get this warning message. Okay, so we need to click on this install anyway. Okay, so it will download remaining files. Let's wait for a few seconds, otherwise I will again pause my recording. Okay, let me pause this recording. Okay guys, so in my system test-ng is completed. Okay, we need to restart the system. So we are able to see this option, so just click restart now. Okay, it will restart Eclipse with the new software test-ng. Okay, restarting now. After this installation, we are able to see test-ng option in the Eclipse. Okay, I will show you, just a minute. It will take few seconds. Okay, yeah, just click on this launch. Now it will launch the Eclipse with the new software. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. It will open Eclipse now. Okay, or better to, I will pause this video. Okay, after opening Eclipse I will resume again. Okay, done. So now let me check we are able to see test-ng option in this Eclipse or not. Okay, so again click on this window, click on this show view, and then select this other option. Okay, and type test-ng here. Test-ng. See, now after installing this software I am able to see this test-ng option. It means I am able to download it successfully test-ng in my Selenium. Okay, so just click on this cancel button. Now test-ng is configured in my system. Okay, again how to check? Window, show view, and then other option. Just type test-ng here. If you are able to see this option, it means test-ng is completely downloaded in your system. Okay, so I hope guys you get some idea from this video. If you really like this video, if you get some idea from this video how to configure test-ng in your system, so please click on this like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video guys. Thank you.